Hello everyone, my name is Kodamore and welcome to the LibGDX Game Dev Guide. In this series, we're going to make a complete top-down game with features including, but not limited to, what you currently see here on the screen. In fact, our final product is probably going to look a little bit different and include a few more features than what you currently see. This means we're going to have melee and ranged weapons, a drag-and-drop inventory system and crafting system, AI enemies, level generation, animations, saving and loading, and much more. For those of you who don't like the idea of using a game framework such as LibGDX, we're basically going to be using it primarily for its optimized hardware rendering capabilities and cross-platform support. This means we can export our game to the web browser, Android and iOS, and desktop platforms. We'll be doing all of the core programming of our game from scratch, that way we can explore and customize specific game dev concepts on our own. We'll also be using an entity component system approach for our game. That makes it really easy to add new content to our game, and if you don't know what that is, we'll learn all about it in this series. Now I'm going to try to keep a medium pace throughout this series. That way beginners will be able to follow along easily, and people with some game dev experience will be able to follow along without becoming too bored. I also want to note that you do need prior Java experience before starting this series, or you might have a hard time. I hope to see you all on our long but fun game development journey with LibGDX, and with that, I'll see you all in the next episode.